The Toblerone logo is famous for its hidden design elements. You should have clearly seen the mountains in the logo, but did you know it was the mountain Matterhorn? It's there to represent the Swiss origins of the chocolate. Many must have seen the bear in it, but did you know it's there to symbolize the city of Bern? Toblerone was originally produced. Bern, the capital of Switzerland, has a rich and fascinating history dating back to the 12th century. The city of Bern was founded in 1191 by Duke Berchtold V of Zeringen. According to legend, Berchtold named the city after the first animal he hunted there, which was a bear. Apart from the logo itself, the name has its own twist. It was named after Theodor Tobler, the Swiss chocolatier who invented the iconic triangular chocolate bar in 1908. The Italian word for nougat is Torrone, which is the key ingredient in Toblerone chocolate, which is made with honey and almonds. So Toblerone essentially means Tobler's nougat. If you'd like to see more videos like this, like and subscribe.